Hello guys, welcome to Brainwave Academy. Today's video I'm going to show you how to prove a general formula, and this is lesson 7 of the quadratic equation. And the quadratic equation general formula is what? As squared plus bs plus c is equal to 0. This is equation of the form of quadratic equation. So what I'm going to do is that the first thing you should do is to take what constant term across equal sign. Take constant term across equal sign. And what is constant term? Constant term is number of alphabet that does not have coefficient, e.g. x, p, q, c. And if you look at it, this one have coefficient, this one also have coefficient. The only one that doesn't have coefficient is what? C. Which means I'll take this c to the other side. And if I take it to the other side, the sign will change. Let's get started. The first statement is take constant term across equal sign. Then if I do that, I will have as squared plus bs is equals to 0. Sorry, the 0 is nothing. This is c. Take it to the power minus c. This is the first step. Then the second step is divide both sides by the coefficient of s squared. Divide through by the coefficient of s squared. And if you look at it, the coefficient of s squared here is a, which means I will divide everything by a. We have as squared plus bs is equals to minus that. Just repeat what I had before, and I'll divide each one by a. If I do this, our a will cancel a. We now left with a squared plus b over a x is equals to minus c over a. This is what I have. Then the third statement is halving s square it and add it to both sides. In this case, we are dealing with only s, not s squared in this statement. Halving s, which means let s to be half. Which means that our s here is equal to 1 over 2. Anyway, I see s, but not s squared. We have s squared plus b all over a. This is s. I'll put a 1 over 2 is equal to minus c over a. I'm not done with this bracket. I have to open the bracket, which means I'll have s squared plus b times 1 is b, a times 2 is 2a, is equal to minus c over a. Then I'm done with this having s. The next thing is square it. I have to square this side. What I have is b over 2a. When I open the bracket, I have to square this one, then add it to this side. I'm done. Which means that I'll now say we have s squared. I'll repeat it, s squared plus b all over 2a is equals to minus c over a. This is what I have when I open this bracket. Then I'll square it now. I have squared it. After squaring this one, then add it to this side, which is plus b all over 2a all squared. I'm done. So the next thing is I have to remove this square. Let's say the square is common. I'll assume that there's no square here, which is s plus b all over 2a. I'll assume that there's no square here. The next thing I'll cover it with that square. Then it's equal to minus c over a plus b times b, which is b squared, all over, because this square affects both numerator and denominator. Which means that if I have b all over 2a, it affects this, which is written as b over 2a times b all over 2a. Which means that b times b we have b squared, 2 times 2 we have 4, a times a we have a squared. Now, I'll go back to what I have. I have b times b squared, 2 times 2 is 4, a times a we have a squared. This is what I have. Now, you now say find the LCM of right hand side. Find the LCM of right hand side, which is 4a squared and a. If you can see, 4a squared can be divisible by a without remainder, which means that the LCM is what? 4a squared. Then I'll have s plus b all over 2a all squared is equals to, the LCM is 4a squared. 4a squared divided by, which is 4a square divided by a. It will cancel 1, it remain 4a. 4a times minus c, we have minus 4ac plus 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1. 1 times b square, b square. So now I may need to rearrange this because square is supposed to come before the other values. S plus b all over 2a all square is supposed to, I will rearrange it, have b square minus 4ac all over what? 4a square. What is the next thing? The next thing is to actually take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. If I do that, I'll have something like this, square root, then I'll put positive negative here. This cancel this. I'll now left with what? S plus b all over 2a is equal to positive negative. The square root cover everything. It affects both numerator and denominator. And if you look at this, there is something attached with this one, which is minus. There's no way I can find the square root, which means our square root of b squared minus 4ac. I'll share the square root between up and down. Square root of 4a squared. With this, I can continue from here. I have s plus b all over 2a is equal to positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over square root of 4 is what? 2. Square root of a squared is what? A. So the next thing is make s the subject of the formula. If you do that, we have x, suppose this is plus b over 2a, take it to the other side. We have minus b all over 2a. Here is what? Positive negative, the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now find the LCM. We now have s is equals to, the LCM of 2a and 2a is what? 2a. 2a divided by 2a, 1. 1 times minus b. Then what? Positive negative. 2a divided by 2a, 1. 1 times all this term, we have the same term. Square root of b squared minus 4ac, which is the what? Quadratic general formula. This is it. This is how to prove it. Please, I urge you to comment on my YouTube channel and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.